In this video, we're going to understand the different levels of reading and when to apply each one. In the world of academia, different reading levels are essential, each serving a unique purpose. Let's explore how to approach various passages effectively. Some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, and some few to be chewed and digested. As Francis Bacon wisely noted, not all books require the same level of attention. Just like books, so too some passages should be skimmed while others demand a more careful reading. The question is, how can you identify which level of reading a passage requires? Of course, you'll have to read the passage either way, but this guide will help you determine which passages, in the words of Francis Bacon, need to be tasted, need to be swallowed, or need to be chewed and digested. Level 1. Skimming for the main idea. Start off by looking for the main idea in the topic sentence, which is usually the first sentence. If the main idea is clear and the rest of the passage seems to provide examples or illustrations, skimming may suffice. Look out for repetition. If subsequent sentences mainly repeat or support the initial idea without introducing new concepts, skimming for the general theme can be effective. For instance, you may encounter a passage like this. Take a minute to pause and read the text. This passage supplies us with a descriptive narrative. The first sentence captures the main idea, the hustle and bustle of daily life. Skimming through the general theme, we can see that the following sentences provide illustrations of this hustle and bustle. People hurrying, there's a vibrant energy, and there's noise and movement. But no new concepts are introduced. Sometimes the answer to a test question might be right there in the opening sentence. Level 2. Careful reading. Take a minute to pause and read the text. From the first sentence, we can see that the passage will be discussing the technological advancements during the Industrial Revolution. While this is the main idea of the passage, we're missing out on a lot of important details if we stop there. In the subsequent sentences, the passage adds depth, clarity, and illustrations by not just describing some of these advancements, but also detailing their social and economic impact. Without careful reading of this passage, we miss out on the interconnected details and overall significance of the Industrial Revolution. Level 3. Meticulous reading. Some passages, especially in science, history, or philosophy, demand a slower and more meticulous reading. Details are scattered throughout, requiring absorption and organization for later inferences. Take a moment to pause and read the text on the screen. In this passage, the main idea, that quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory in physics, is introduced in the first sentence. However, unlike simpler passages, this one is packed with complex concepts and detailed information that require meticulous reading to fully grasp. Skimming won't suffice here, as each sentence introduces new and significant principles: wave-particle duality, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and quantum entanglement. Additionally, the passage illustrates the profound impact of these principles on both our understanding of physics and the development of advanced technologies. When engaging in meticulous reading, it's essential to absorb and organize these details to understand the interconnectedness of the concepts. By carefully noting the details and their implications, we can better understand how these principles have transformed both theoretical physics and practical applications. Mastering different levels of reading is a crucial tool in reading comprehension. Whether you're skimming for the main idea, taking the time for a more careful reading, or diving deep into complex subjects, understanding these techniques will empower you as a thoughtful and discerning reader.